Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com, scratching my nose. We're doing personal boxes of Encased football before we do our first group break of Encased football. Philip, the almighty, the holder of the sacred chalice of shoeless Joe Jackson bat barrels. And he also lives in Hawaii. You picked this box yourself out of a fresh case, so may the force be with you. He'll probably get the best thing in the product, like we were saying, George. Your Encased hits, sir. Making you think you picked the wrong one. All right. I see an Adam Thielen, 4 of 25, Minnesota Vikings. George is writing large notes. And we've got a kicker relic, Pro Bowl patch, Chris Boswell. That's cool because you just don't see kicker relics. Chris Boswell to 25.
The boss.
That's nice. Like the design. And we've got a Miles Sanders. Look at that patch. Emerald. 6 of 10. Super prime patch. I would say 3-color patch. 3-color patch. Yeah. Gonna sleeve it this way to not hit the foil. There you go, Miles Sanders. Eagles running back. And my guy, Hunter Renfrow. Rookie endorsements, 9 of 10, another green. Wow. Green's very tough to get. Hunter Renfrow to 10. For the Las Vegas Raiders.
Las Vegas.
All right, we got to change that soon. After the draft, I guess. All right, here we go. Just like you don't see Joe Jackson relics, that's right. Oh, I know Crispy's going to be jealous of this one. It's a gold label, has a 9 on the auto. Rookie, notable signatures, Dwayne Haskins. Woo! Look at that. 1 of 50. First one stamped. That is an inscription. What does that say?
Go Bucks.
Go Buckeyes. But it says 4 TTR? You guys tell me. 4 TTR. Dwayne Haskins. Gold label from Beckett. Gem mint with a 9 on the autograph.
Very nice.
Gotta love it. Getting a quarterback encased auto. All right, next up is Neal and his heavy flow. Good luck, Neal. Crispy said, dang it. Crispy's going to try to trade you for that. HTTR. Define that, Michael. Thank you, Michael. Hail to the Redskins. Ah, nice. Okay, that went over my head. Not surprising. Hail to the Redskins. What's up, Chris? Chris Ray. Oh, I think I like the card on the back, ladies and gentlemen. Richard Sherman for the Niners. Base card. Nice stick, George. Quad Relic Easton stick. Numbered to 75. Dual jersey, dual football relics. Signal caller, soaking it all in. All right, we got another Thielen. This is a relic, Future Wave. 10 of 50. 10 of 50 Thielen. And an autograph you just don't see that much. That's why I love Encased. They go a little back in time on their autos here. Guy should have been a Hall of Famer long before this year. Edgerrin James.
Whoa,
Century
nice.
Collection auto. That is numbered to 25.
That is cool. You don't see him very often.
Edgerrin James. 14 of 25. Triple jersey auto.
There you go, Neal.
Congrats on that, man.
I don't think he needs his encased hit now.
Nah, you don't need it. That's good enough. Moving on. Oh. All right. Fine. It's a gold label. It's a 10 on the auto. It's a Tony Pollard rookie endorsements for the Dallas Cowboys, numbered to 25. Let me zoom in here.
Short print.
Tony Pollard, gold. Graded by Beckett. Gold parallel. Gem mint with a 10.
Woo.
Love it. All gold labels so far.
Yeah.
All right, we will stop the video, see if we have any more boxes before we start on Encased Football in 8 minutes, guys.